There is a new low irritating ingredient that's an alternative to retinol. It's called Bakuchiol. Want to know how to improve skin elasticity without any irritation? Let's find out about Bakuchiol on What's Trending. Hey everyone, welcome back to What's Trending. It's your sister Eunice here. Really happy to see every single one of you. In today's video, we're going to learn about Bakuchiol. In the last What's Trending video, in 2022 beauty trends, do you guys remember that one of the keywords were strengthening your skin barrier? Well, there's an ingredient that's currently in the spotlight that is said to make your skin healthy and clear and to stand out. So Anya is here to tell you what it is. The ingredient is called Bakuchiol. Bakuchiol, right? Some of you guys probably have never heard of this ingredient before. That's because it's an ingredient that's recently brought to everyone's attention. And the reason why it has become popular is because it's an ingredient that can become an alternative to retinol. Retinol is effective for improving skin aging, wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, and skin's elasticity. However, there's a lot of people that worry about the fact that it can be irritating for the skin. But then Bakuchiol came in the picture as this less irritating alternative for retinol. On top of that, Bakuchiol works for all skin types, whether you have dry, sensitive, oily, or combination skin. It isn't irritating to the skin, but is still effective in improving skin's elasticity and aging as well. So if you aren't too sure about using retinol, we recommend trying Bakuchiol instead. Even though Bakuchiol is a great ingredient, there are so many different types of Bakuchiol products. So there may be products that work for you and some that don't. There are products where Bakuchiol is the main ingredient, and there are other products where Bakuchiol is paired with different ingredients. So if you do want to use Bakuchiol as a part of daily care, using an ampoule will make it easy for the ingredients to lightly absorb into the skin. It will be great for daily skincare, especially if it's a product with high stability against sunlight. Now, if you prefer cream over serums, or if you only use creams in your skincare routine, then try using Bakuchiol cream products. You can get moisture for your skin and you can get skin elasticity improvement all in one go. Now, one of the effects of Bakuchiol is none other than improving wrinkles. If you want to boost this effect even more, then look for a product that also has retinol and retinal. And these products have catching my eyes lately. Personally, I've tried the new product from Wishtrend last night as well. Bakuchiol may be used as an alternative for retinol, but it's also an ingredient used with retinol to create more synergy effect. And with the effects of vitamin A also included in the product, you will also get the effect of collagen production, exfoliation, skin elasticity, and less pigmentation for sure. If you put the effects of improving skin elasticity and improving skin tone together in one product, then your skin will surely look more younger and healthier. If that is what you're looking for, choose a product with Bakuchiol and niacinamide. By evening out your skin's texture and skin tone, surely it will make it easier for you to see improvement in skin elasticity. This product is amazing. It soaks in so easily. So please do keep this in mind when you're using the ingredients Bakuchiol. Doesn't all of this information make you want to have a Bakuchiol product on your vanity? The most important step is to choose a product that will work for your skin type and the effects that you want. After that, there are a few things you need to keep in mind when using the ingredient Bakuchiol. First of all, unlike retinol, studies have shown that Bakuchiol doesn't react as sensitively to sunlight, but it's still recommended to use SPF. Also, it's safe to use Bakuchiol with most of the ingredients. However, please avoid using it with aesthetic peeling products. It may cause too much irritation for your skin. Since Bakuchiol is a natural ingredient, it may cause toxicness or allergies from the plant itself. If you see any abnormal reactions while using Bakuchiol, please stop using it immediately. And since Bakuchiol is an ingredient that is extracted from plants, it needs to be stored properly. Make sure that you store your Bakuchiol products in a cool place that's away from direct sunlight. The best part about Bakuchiol is that it can improve skin's elasticity without irritation, and that it can be paired with different ingredients. However, like I mentioned before, please make sure to use SPF. And make sure that you avoid storing it in the direct sunlight. Make sure that you keep these tips in mind. So, have I sparkled your interest in Bakuchiol? All of the products that I mentioned in the video will be linked in the description below. So if you guys have any questions, please comment below. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me throughout the whole video, and we will see you in the next one.